Welcome back to Mumford Restoration, and we're going to take a look at a piano today. But before we do that, please go to our website, mumfordrestoration.com, or our YouTube channel and check out what you can have restored. So this is a really cool old Stroud grand piano. You can see that it's only about 5 feet long, so it is what we call a baby grand, really small, very desirable size. And you can see that all of the ivory keys have been chipped along the front. This is a Stroud Grand from about the 30s, and it is very sentimental to the customer. And we're going to be doing a total rebuild, a total restringing, rebuild the action, and we're going to repair or replace the key tops, and we're going to do a total cleaning of the inside and refinishing of the soundboard. And so the piano will be what we call the full restoration. Now, why would somebody spend the budget on that is really specifically for the sentimental reasons. They could take that money and put that money towards buying another piano, but it would have a different sound and have a different meaning to them. So we're looking at a mahogany grand from the 30s, total restoration and restringing. It'll be what we call a above average instrument. But it'll be a beautiful memory because we restore family memories. Remember our tagline, working miracles to restore family memories. Thanks for watching. Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're here looking at a piano that's in the midstream. This is a Stroud Baby Grand. And you can see that it is in a weird looking condition at the moment because all of the pores of the wood have been filled with a paste wood filler before stain. So you can see that it looks kind of splotchy right now as we have been filling up the pores of the mahogany so that when the finish comes to its final stage, it is not so porous. We have removed the iron plate. You can see we've refinished the soundboard. So take a look that the soundboard has been completely stripped and refinished. The iron plate is out. The action, obviously, the key bed, the pin block, everything is out of the piano because we're doing a full rebuild and restoration of this piano. All right, so we're continuing to show you the work on this Stroud Baby Grand. Now, you had seen previously that we had totally refinished the case, and we had refinished the soundboard, which you can see is so beautifully refinished. All the cracks in the soundboard have been repaired, and now we're in the process of restringing. So you can see that a lot of the treble strings have been applied and installed over the new key bed felt, and you see a few strings are left in the treble, and then we're going to be restringing the bass. So these strings, of course, go across and over the treble strings, so they're always installed last. These are the bass strings that are steel wrapped in copper, and you can see the bridge and then very large felt that is going to go under each string and across the bridge. So we just wanted to give you an update of how beautiful this piece is coming out, and we will show you when it's completely done.